Atomic Structure and Bonding, Revision Part 2. In this short video, we will learn about ionic bonding. By the end of this video, you should have an understanding of how an ionic compound is formed, what an ion is, and which ion will form for a particular atom. An ionic compound is formed when a metal atom transfers electrons to a non-metal atom. Electrons have a negative charge, so when an atom loses electrons, we get a positive charge on that atom. When an atom gains electrons, we get a negative charge on that atom. An atom with a positive or a negative charge is called an ion. The periodic table can help us to decide what sort of an ion an atom will become, that is, positive or negatively charged. This depends on where the element is in the periodic table. Metal atoms become positive ions by losing electrons. Non-metal atoms become negative ions by gaining electrons. The number of electrons lost by a metal is the same as the group number. So, for example, a metal in group 1 will lose 1 electron. Let's take sodium, which has the symbol Na, as an example. Sodium loses 1 electron to become an ion with a charge of positive 1, or plus 1. We can write this as Na going to Na plus E minus. Note that the electrons are being lost, so they belong on the right-hand side of the arrow. Similarly, a metal in group 2, such as calcium, which has the symbol Ca, will lose 2 electrons. We can write this as Ca going to Ca2 plus 2E. Metals in this area of the periodic table, called transition metals, do not follow this pattern and can form a number of different ions. Non-metals will gain electrons to form negative ions. The number of electrons gained again depends on the group, but this time you have to count the number of groups until group 8. For example, fluorine, symbol F, is in group 7. Fluorine will gain 1 electron to give an ion with a 1 minus charge. We can write this as F plus an electron gives F minus. Sulfur, which is in group 6, will gain 2 electrons to give an ion with a 2 minus charge. We can write this as S plus 2 electrons gives S2 minus ion. Can you have a guess at how many electrons an atom in group 5 will gain? The number of electrons an atom likes to gain or lose when it forms an ion affects the formula of the ionic compound that it forms. For example, let's consider making an ionic compound from the elements lithium and fluorine. Lithium is in group 1. It likes to lose 1 electron to form Li1+. Fluorine is in group 7. It likes to gain 1 electron to become F1-. Because each of these elements likes to gain or lose 1 electron, when lithium and fluorine combine to form an ionic compound, they do so in the ratio 1:1. Therefore, the formula for lithium fluoride is LiF. To look at this in a bit more detail, let's look at the atomic structures of lithium and fluorine. Lithium has 1 electron in its outer shell. Fluorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell. Lithium gives 1 electron from its outer shell to fluorine. This results in a change from a lithium atom to form a positive lithium ion, and from a fluorine atom to form a negative fluoride ion. Let's look at another example. This time we'll make magnesium chloride. Magnesium is in group 2. It likes to lose 2 electrons to form Mg2+. Chlorine is in group 7. It likes to gain 1 electron to form Cl1-. That means that for every magnesium atom we need 2 chlorine atoms to accept 1 electron each, and the formula for magnesium chloride is MgCl2.